Today we're going to ice some cookies with fondant. All you need to do is roll out some fondant just like you would if you were rolling out cookie dough. Get the same size cookie cutter you used in order to make the cookie and cut it out. Pick up the piece of fondant, wipe your fingers around the edge to make sure that there is no furry edges and so it's a clean cut before you apply it to your cookie. Turn your piece of fondant over and put a little bit of water on the back of the fondant in order to help it stick onto your cookie. Once you lay it on the cookie, smooth it out, making sure you have icing sugar-free, dry hands, and smooth it into place. If it isn't sitting centre, you can smooth it outwards with your thumb, as you can see, in order to get it into the right position. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook, and if you would like to see how to glitter a fondant cookie, see the link in the description below. Happy decorating!